So I have 2 more winter coats from Aritzia. So the first coat is this Cocoon Coat. It's by Wilfred, and this is a dark heather taupe color. So it's sort of warm, sort of cool tone. Not quite brown, not quite gray. It's just like kind of in between a tan and a gray. I did get a 2XS, which is a double extra small, I guess. I felt like the extra small fit pretty good, but it kind of was like taking over my whole body. So I just wanted to see if the 2XS would fit me a little bit more tailored looking and not overcome my frame so much. It's made in Romania, and I love how the buttons are sort of invisible. There's 2 pockets and then just like a clean single seam down the back, no slit, just very tailored, structured look. 2XS does fit like a glove. It fits perfectly. I actually really do like this color. I think it's very flattering. So this jacket is $2.99 on Aritzia. This is a 2XS. The buttons are tortoiseshell design. If I needed something a little bigger, I'd probably get an extra small and maybe have it tailored down to fit me a little bit better. Very clean lines, very chic. I love that the collar kind of just stands up. You don't have any folds or anything framing around the body. So the second jacket I got is in a rich mocha brown. This is the new Stedman coat. So this one is a little bit more of like a classic style. I wanted something that wasn't black but was still dark and rich. The material doesn't feel quite as nice as the Cocoon material. This one feels a little more rough. It definitely has a more rugged feel and look to it. So this one I also got in a 2XS, and this one's $3.48. So this one fits a lot longer on the body. It hits below the knee. I think it's kind of like a cool vibe, but I don't think it's for me. I think the brown, it's okay, but it might be a little like too mature looking. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I think it is pretty, but I think the material is also throwing me off because it's a little bit rough. It's not quite as cozy as like the Cocoon one. So it has similar clean lines. There's no slit in the back. It has your pockets. I love the single button on it. But yeah, I don't know how I feel about the dark brown. I don't think I can get on board right now with it, but that could change in the future. So I think I'm gonna keep the Cocoon jacket and then return this one. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Which ones are your favorite and what colors are you into this season? Subscribe if you like hair, beauty, and fashion. I post every week, and I will see you next time.